do right now is just to keep waiting.
We've not had to get a tram yet.
Sitting here really quickly, so keep waiting.
So it must be busy.
Turn yourself, watch your head. Watch your step as you enter the courtesy tram. All of our guests must remain.
Give you a bit of a clean. Right, we're already off the tram. Not even in the park. And we've already had a nicer experience than we did at Universal.
Yeah.
Just the guy on the trolley was so funny and nice.
Yeah. They're nice, aren't they?
It's good to be back at Disney. And we're in. Richard needed a wee stop. And to get his wet towel,
My cooling tower.
all sorted. It's
Actually,
another boiling hot day,
yeah, it is. Look at all the rentals.
which is good. We like it hot.
You like it?
That's why we flew 4,500 miles. So first stop is Expedition Everest, because we have a fast pass.
This bit. Beautiful stairs.
This really is a stunning park. Entering Asia.
This whole theme park is impeccably themed.
I can't wait to go to Expedition Everest. Love that ride. Love a good roller coaster. Richard not so much. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. My parents would love this park. You'd love this park, Mum and Dad? So still. There she is, Expedition Everest. Everest. Fast pass route off. It's so hot. It's so hot. I could cry, but I love this ride. This will cool me down. Very pretty. Oh, Everest memorabilia.
With Yeti.
Here we go. The breeze. I know. We're now in the queue for Kali River Rapids water ride. It's hot.
This is the wet ride. It's not Expedition Everest, it's Sweatpedition. I'm laughing at my own joke. I can't say it. Sweatspedition. I give up. It was funny for me anyway. So you get more comic relief with me. Expedition Everest. So, like I said, this park is absolutely beautifully themed. You know, literally, you are totally in that environment, and there's no deviation. You are in Asia, and they keep it like that throughout. It's almost, it's basically, I think, kind of the precursor to Garbles. I am having such trouble speaking this holiday. Garbles, Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. So this is 5 minutes, so it's walk on. Look at that, beautiful, isn't it? Oh, that breeze. Oh, that breeze is nice. Now, this is all about where you get positioned on the raft. Because you'd think the forward positions would be the worst, and sometimes they're not, and sometimes the backward positions you think would be the worst, but they're not. He's silent but moody. I told you he's got Mardy on. Told you. I know him so well.
Get a move on, fam.
2.
Rock 10, please.
Oh, 10. 10. Ooh.
Come on, Florence.
We think we're going to get wet. Well, we're turning, which is good.
We're going to
No, we're not.
well, I'm not going back. Maybe I am.
Oh, I don't know. Backwards is always the worst one. Oh no. We might get a side swipe. Started.
It's begun.
We're okay with rotating. The back, if you're there, basically when you hit the thing, you get it.
Yeah, we are. Oh, God.
Oh, that was the big thing.
No, I don't think it is.
Are we finished? Did we got off free?
Hey,
The balance,
that quick.
the balance of the boat must be perfect.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. I'm happy. Oh, the balance was quick. It was really quick. And the balance of the boat must be perfect. Because last time we were on this, I think there was only 4 of us. And literally,
The girl got
so it was literally like somebody who tipped a bath full of water on her.
We're up. I've got a drenched back. It's my back that got wet more than anything.
I didn't get wet at all, really.
No. Well, actually, you kind of did. But your back is soaked. They do free lockers for this ride, so you don't get your stuff wet. So if you go on stuff like Cardiff River Rapids and you don't want to get it wet, pop it in a locker for free. For 2 hours as well. So you could use it for other purposes to store things. But yeah, no, that's great. Sun's out. Park is gorgeous.
As always.
Holiday's rocking along. I think we've only got including today, we've got 11 days left. We've been here 9 days. So, yeah, so we're almost halfway through. Sad face. Almost forgotten what England and work is about.
Totally up with that one.
Hi. Yeah, we're good, thank you. Yeah. Morning. Oh God, they're just so nice.
So where we're off to?
So we're heading off to Dino Land. We've got a fast pass at 10 o'clock for Dinosaur.
Which is in 20 minutes.
Ooh. Might get a drink.
Oh, we've got water in our bag.
Oh, we've got water in our bags. We're prepared.
Huh?
It's all good. Look at that gorgeous sight. It really is stunning.
It is beautiful.
We're happy.
We are.
We're very happy.
If you look on the ground, they've even done like little tyre tracks.
Little tyre
and stuff,
tracks
so it
and
looks like
stuff.
it's a muddy road. It's absolutely great, especially when it rains, because then it looks like a muddy road.
Yeah, it's really amazing. Everything is thought about. Everything. Hi, since we've seen you, we've just done Dinosaur, and I saw a t-shirt I had to have. So if you can see that, I loved it. Yeah, so Dinosaur was great. It throws you around loads, way more than I remember. But never because we're getting old. How many? Well, let's just keep walking, shall we? Or do you want to do Avatar?
Do you want to do Avatar there? It's 70 minutes wait.
Well, that's not bad.
Yeah. Where's Avatar?
I think we'll go this way. Okay, so we're heading over to Pandora. We're going back through it. Go through Discovery Trading Company.
Yeah.
Because that can take you through to the other side, I think. To then come out of there, go through the Mercantile. Then the Mercantile takes you out to Avatar.
Okay.
Little known fact I picked up from Adam Hatton and Gary C. Hey, they're heading into Pandora. We haven't done this in the day. Last time we did it, it was at night. So we get to see things we didn't see. Still very hot. Yeah, here we go. And then I could just sit. Richard's brought a t-shirt to change in. Yeah, since we got wet and sweaty and horrible and it's just not nice, so we've just wanted to change t-shirts. Yes, he's got a lovely animal Disney t-shirt with Goofy, Mickey, Donald on. He'll be back in a minute, and then we're going on Flight of Avatar. Flight of Avatar? Flight of Passage. That's the one.
So I've had a
Had a costume change as well.
costume change as well, just get out of my wet shirt.
I love that t-shirt.
It's nice actually, I thought that. Put it on.
Floating mountains. It's really nice. It's gone up to 105. That's 60. An hour and 35 minutes. 105 minutes, but we're gonna do it.
One of those times you want to ride it. I think you have to, you couldn't understand why you go on the line. It's like, well, it's like certain people.
Well, we're already further than where we were last time.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
No, we were here. Yeah, this is where we got talking to them. This is where we met Caitlin. Bye.
Welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, riding on the back of a banshee by being genetically matched and linked to an avatar. Pandora is a breathtaking natural world. I cannot wait for you guys to see it for yourselves.
So we have just been on Avatar Flight of Passage. So we were about queued for about, what, an hour and 30 minutes?
Yeah, I'd say.
Yeah, so we queued for about an hour and 30 minutes. Yeah, it was alright. I really enjoyed that ride.
It's a great ride.
It's a great
Really
ride.
ride.
Is it worth the wait? I think when it's tipping up to an hour and 30 minutes, it gets a little bit like difficult to justify it, especially because there's not a lot to do in the queue, is there?
No, the queue's very dull.
And you kind of get bored and you're like, oh, will the queue ever end? And then it goes on and it literally snakes round and round and round. But it's a great ride and it gives a thumbs up from me. Now on the way to Africa, believe it or not. Oh, they're doing building work.
Yeah, they are.
Oh, look at that. It's very unusual to see Disney workers actually working on something in the day. Especially, you normally see this sometimes when they're doing the kind of like the very front of the park, but never normally during the day inside the park, because it kind of spoils the illusion, really. But they are hard at work. Look at them. Switch hands now. So yeah, now we're in Africa. So we've got the Lion King show, which is our last fast pass of the day that we pre-booked. We're hoping after that to see if we can get another couple of fast passes for things we want to do. If not, then I think, depending on the ride times, we will probably head home for the day. So yeah, so we're just gonna have something to eat now. Bye!
Oh, we can't find anywhere to eat. Oh, Rich. Oh, I think we got somewhere. I think we found somewhere.
There we go.
A grill?
Yeah, that'll be fine.
What's in the grill? Can I see a meanie? Hello.
Hey, hello.
So we just had some lunch. Just there was a sausage and a naan bread. It was alright.
Yeah, it wasn't bad actually.
We're off to the Lion King. We've got a fast pass for the Lion King show.